It has been just over 1 week since recreational marijuana sales began in Ohio. Now, local officials and law enforcement agencies are evaluating the impacts.
Yeah, our Annabelle Childers is in Akron to explain how the city's monitoring dispensaries now and how the Ohio State Highway Patrol is approaching public safety.
Last Tuesday, dispensaries across the state sold their first recreational weed products, including 3 businesses in Akron.
Yeah, we've all been real excited about it.
Nancy Mitchner, owner of the Botanist, says sales are going strong. And while she's in compliance with the state, she needs to take one more step to get right with the city of Akron. Last month, on July 22nd, the Akron City Council passed an ordinance requiring dispensaries to get an additional permit to become a dual-use facility. The city says they have not given any penalties or fines to dispensaries yet, but they do expect businesses to be working toward getting that necessary permit. Nancy says that won't be a problem.
We'll fill out our stuff, send it in, and, I don't think that there's any hassle to it.
Meanwhile, Ohio State Highway Patrol is viewing the newly expanded marijuana availability through the lens of public safety.
When we look at drug-related fatal crashes, that has increased by 4%. It's one of the few categories that has increased and outpaced other categories.
OSHP is reminding drivers that state law has not changed when it comes to limits on marijuana users. Ohioans cannot use any cannabis product while they're in a car, on a bike, in a boat. The products must stay in the packaging they were purchased in while you're traveling, and you can't transport more than 15 grams of weed in the form of adult use extract or 2.5 ounces of weed in other forms.
We know that this is going to be an issue. That's something that it's top of mind and something that we're very equipped and ready to address.
So, Annabelle, I think people are wondering, how do those traffic stops work, say, if a state trooper or an officer believes that a driver's impaired in this case?
Well, Christy, it's very similar to how they would respond to a suspected drunk driver. So those troopers may conduct field sobriety tests, and many of them have training which actually allows them to identify what substance might be causing that impairment.
All right. Annabelle Childers, appreciate it. Thank you.